Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics Next Gen car from the 2022 Wave 3. It is William Byron's 2022 Next Gen car. And on the back you can get Alex Bowman, Ryan Blaney, Christopher Bell, and a Next Gen car, an Xfinity car, Josh Berry. Let's get William Byron out of his box. So here is his sticker, Axalta, the Classic 24, his name, and the Axalta color of his car. So here is William Byron's car. So William Byron's car is the same design as the one he drove in 2021. Obviously now, the Axalta is now bigger, is now moved out more to the side, the number 24. Axalta.com, the Chevy Camaro, the new double diffuser on the side, the new light, the new backlights, and the Chevrolet body. And obviously the Chevrolet body is a lot different to the next gen cars, and I'll show you right now. It took me a while. So here is William Byron's 2021 car. So obviously the color scheme is the same, except the 24 is moved to the side, is moved to the middle in the 2021. That's now moved to the side. The Axalta on the side is moved to the side, but obviously the back is a lot different. Yeah, and obviously the Axalta is a little bigger on here. In fact, the next gens are a little bigger compared to the 2021 models. And obviously the bag is more round. Yeah, bigger. Really bigger. Yeah. And it obviously looks more like a Camaro on the road compared to a stock car. So we'll give you a 360 view of William Byron. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching. And also, please subscribe for more NASCAR Next Gen videos this week. Thank you.